In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your own song or music to an Instagram story. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for even more Instagram tips just like this. Begin by opening up Instagram and tapping on your plus icon here, selecting story, and then the camera icon down in the bottom left, and choose whatever image you would like. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one right here. After doing so, tap the three dots up in the top right and select save. Now go ahead and back out of Instagram and open up CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, go ahead and install it through the App Store or through the Google Play Store. And after it installs, go ahead and open it and select New Project up at the very top. After selecting New Project, go ahead and select Photos and then tap that photo that we just saved. And then hit Add in the bottom right. Click on this little audio tab in the bottom section and select Sounds. And then go ahead and click on this little folder icon and hit Device. Go ahead and hit select from your device and choose whatever song you would like. I'm going to choose this one right here, and it'll begin importing it into your phone. I've already imported this one right here. After it does import though, just select this little plus icon and then adjust the photo size to be the same length of that song. So it might take a few minutes to scroll through this just like so. There we go, we're good to go. After this, go ahead and select export. And once it does save, open up Instagram again, hit the little plus icon at the bottom, hit on your camera roll, find that video that we did just save. In my case, because I didn't want to wait for the export time again, I just choose this one, which is the last one that I just made for the previous video. Essentially, go ahead and select it, adjust it to wherever you would like in the song right here, hit done, and then hit your stories, and it'll post to your story. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. But before you leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.